Hello everyone, welcome to part 36 of Laravel 11 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So finally we are going to start working on the products module. Okay, we have completed the categories module and now we are going to start working on the products module. And in this video we are going to create the products collection in our MongoDB. See, we are using the MongoDB instead of MySQL in this series. That is the NoSQL database, and now it is mandatory to learn about MongoDB, to learn about MySQL database. Sorry, NoSQL database is because now it's the time to update. Okay, so and we are going to insert some products with Cedar as well. Okay, so let's start working on part 36. So let's see what we are going to do in part 36. Two things we are going to do. First, we are going to create the products collection, and the second thing, we are going to insert few products with Cedar. Okay, so we are going to create the product collection with these columns. Okay, I'm going to show you the columns. See, first one is the id in MongoDB. The we are not going to use the id, it is underscore id. See, underscore id is the column in MongoDB. I'm going to show you as well, like for all the, like for the categories as well, we can see underscore id is the primary column, that is the unique column that is having the unique key, unique alphanumeric id. Okay, so MongoDB used its own id. Okay, but in MySQL we used to create our id column, but here we can use this underscore id column that is unique for all documents. Okay, so after that we are going to add the category underscore id column in products table in products collection, and that category underscore id column means that the product belongs to which category. Okay, so we are going to give the category id of that product. Okay, so maybe that is the subcategory, maybe that is the parent category. Okay, so but that category id we are required to give for that product. So after that we will give the brand id as well, but the brands module we are going to add after adding the products module. Okay, but right now we will just give the zero id as the brand id for the product. After that we will add the product name, product code, product color, family color. Family color means the we can't show all the colors in product colors. We can give any type of color like the sky blue, dark blue, these kind of colors, but in family color we will just give the limited colors. They're the main colors like red, blue, green, yellow, means there are 7 8 limited colors in that we are going to use in filters. Okay, so that is the family color. So group code to group the products. Okay, for that we are going to use the group code. There is some number in group code that we are going to use, so that is the group code. And product price, what is the mrp of the product, and after that product discount will come in percentage like 10 15. Okay, so discount type, what is the discount type, like the there may be the product discount, there may be the category discount, there may be the brand discount. Okay, so that is we are going to mention here. So after that the final price we are going to calculate and we'll give the final price here. After that we will add the product weight, product video. If the product video is also there for the product, then we will give the product video as well. Okay, so after that description, wash care, search keywords, maybe we will give the different keywords for to search for that particular product in website. So after that we will add some filters as well, that is fabric, pattern, sleeve, fit, occasion. Okay, you can add the filters of your own choice. And after that we will add the SEO filters, that are meta title, meta description, meta keywords. After that we will add the product is featured or not. After that the status. Okay, so that are the columns for the products collection, and if there is anything else we require, that we are going to modify in the future as well. Okay, so let's create the migration file first of all, and this is the command, and this time we are going to create both together. We are going to create the product model as well as the migration file. Okay, here we are going to give the command here, pre php artisan make model product, so it will create this product model, along with it will create the migration file as well. So -m is for getting the migration file of this product as well. So it will automatically create this migration file, create underscore products underscore table migration file will get automatically created. So let's see, let's start on part 36. Okay, so I'm going to run this one, I'm going to run in my project, and here in XAMPP folder I am having product SG docs, and this is the product 11. I will right click services, new terminal add folder. You know how to run the artisan commands. Okay, so here I'm going to run this one, PHP artisan make model product hyphen m. So it will create the product model. See, it has done two things here. One is it created the product model, and the next one is it created the migration file as well. That is the create underscore products underscore table migration file. Okay, so I'm going to open this migration file. I'm going to close the earlier files that okay, so now I'm going to open the create underscore products underscore table, and you can see now I'm going to add all the columns that I have explained earlier. Okay, ID and timestamps are already there, but rest of the columns I'm going to add in our file. Okay, all these columns we are going to add. Okay, so I'm going to add these columns here like this. Okay, so after adding these columns, okay, as you can see, after adding these columns, now I'm going to run the PHP artisan migrate command. You can see the PHP artisan migrate command. I'm going to run that command to create its collection, products collection, PHP artisan migrate. So yes, the migration has been done, and we can see the table now, the collection now. Okay, so I'm going to refresh the product 11 product 11 database. So after refreshing the product 11 database, we can see the products collection is now here. Okay, so products collection is here, but it is not showing because we are required to insert at least one documentation. Okay, so let's create the header file now. Okay, so now we are going to create this header file, but first of all we are going to modify the model. Okay, so product model that we have created, I'm going to open that model, and here you can see this model we are going to replace with the MongoDB model. Okay, because we are using the MongoDB instead of MySQL. So see, if you want to do this product in MySQL, then you can follow the Laravel 10 series, in which I have explained everything step to step, complete code manually. Okay, we have updated in that so that you can follow if you want to do it in MySQL. Okay, for the change we are doing this project in NoSQL database because now NoSQL database is in big rise. Okay, for the large projects we are required to use the NoSQL database, that is the MongoDB. Okay, if you are joining some big company, they may ask you to use the MongoDB instead of MySQL because the project is required a big database, so that the MongoDB can only that means MongoDB is recommended for that. Okay, so now we are going to replace this with this our own model, that is the MongoDB model. Okay, so now we can move further and we'll create the product controller as well. We will create a not product controller, we will create, so controller must be in singular. Sometime I do it by mistake, though it will not do anything. You can create it, but it is better if you will create the mode that controller file singular. Okay, product controller, I'm going to create the product controller. Okay, so PHP artisan make controller inside admin folder, because we are going to create all admin controller inside admin folder. Okay, so that also I'm going to run that our artisan command here, and you can see that we able to create that product controller as well. I'm going to open that product controller and we'll see here, yes, it has been created. Okay, though we are going to use it later on, but seeder we are going to create right now. Okay, PHP artisan make seeder product table seeder. Okay, so that we can create with any name, you can change its name as well, or okay, you can make it product seeder as well. Okay, there is no issue, this is just one time use of this file. Okay, so I'm going to open this product table seeder in our Sublime. Okay, so here I'm going to open this product table seeder, and here I am going to add the products. Okay, now I'm going to add two of the products here. Okay, so I will add the queries here to add two of the products here. Okay, so complete dummy data I am going to add here. You can see one product I will add, that is the blue t-shirt. Okay, and I am going to put inside some category ID. I am going to find this category ID from here, from the categories collection. Okay, I am going to put this inside t-shirt. Okay, so see, I will add two products, and that I want to add inside t-shirts. I am going to add two t-shirts here. Okay, so I will select the category t-shirts. Okay, we are going to do this in admin panel later on, but right now we are adding this header. So this is the ID for the t-shirt. I'm going to copy this ID and we'll add it here, because I am going to put both these t-shirts inside the t-shirts category. Okay, later on we will add from the admin panel, but right now we will just add the category ID for both. Later on we are going to select from the select category in the products module, and right now we are just adding their category ID manually after finding that which category ID the t-shirt is having. Okay, so this is the t-shirts category ID. So brand ID we can left it empty as well. Product name blue t-shirt. Product code, like we can add BT001. Product color dark blue, like I have told you earlier that the product color is the specific color of the product. Okay, but family color is not that specific color. We need to just add the parent color of that, because there are some limited colors for the family color, so we will add just blue. So after that the group code. So here the group code, like if just the color differs and the design is same, everything is same, then we are going to add the same group code, like group code for this one and group code for this one match. Okay, because this is the red t-shirt and this is the blue t-shirt, just the differences of the color. Okay, then we will add the same group code. So here the price we will add, then discount. See, we have added the product discount 10%, so we will calculate the 10% of 1500, that is the MRP. So it is 150, so we are going to subtract 150 from 1500, that is 1350. So final price of the product is 1350. So product weight maybe 500 gram, we are going to add 500. Product video is not there right now. So description we are going to add the test product, and rest of the fields we can keep empty for now. Okay, each feature we will add no for this one, and status of the product is 1. So this one also the same category ID, this one belongs to the t-shirt as well. So here we have added the red t-shirt, and product code is R001. The product color is red and family color is red. Here the same group code, because it belongs to the same group of t-shirt. Okay, means just the color differs and everything else is same. So group code is same, BTG0, okay, whatever it is, we are going to put the same group code. Okay, so after that the product price we are going to add 2000. See, if there is no discount, then we will put as 0. Discount type also we are going to make it empty. This is by mistake, because there is no discount as because there is no discount, so discount type is empty. Okay, so final price is 2000 only, because there is no discount. And product weight maybe 400, then we will add just 400 gram. Then the test product we have added, and is featured we have added this time yes, and status is 1 for this product as well, means status is active. So now two of the products we are going to add. So here after that we are going to add this one in database seeder file. Here in database seeder, I'm going to open this one, and we are required to call the products table seeder here. So I'm going to just comment this one, and we'll add this products table seeder here like this. And finally I'm going to run the that command php artisan db seed, php artisan db seed, so that it will just simply insert this one. Okay, so I think maybe the product model we have not added in here in product table seeder. Yes, we have not added that, so we need to add the model here as well. Use model product. So we are going to try once again, and we'll run here once again php artisan db seed index. This time it is fine and it has been done, and we are going to check. Now I'm going to open the products collection, and here you can see two of the products have been added. You can see here, see, first product is the blue t-shirt, and that comes under that category ID, and the second product is the red t-shirt, and that also comes under that t-shirts category. Okay, so we have added the complete details that from the seeder of these two products. So in the next video we are going to show these two products in the admin panel along with the active, inactive and delete functionality. So please stay tuned for the next video. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.